alignment is how you can observe it. What is planetary alignment? Planetary alignment occurs when several planets in the solar system appear to line up in a straight line or close to it from the perspective of Earth. How does planetary alignment happen? Each planet in our solar system orbit the sun at different speeds, following elliptical path. They all move within a roughly flat plane called the ecliptic plane. When the planet reach a specific point in their orbit, they may appear aligned from Earth perspective. Why are planetary alignments rare? Planetary alignment do not happen every year. Due to the different lengths of each planet take to complete an orbit. For example, Earth takes 365 days to orbit the Sun, while Jupiter takes around 12 years. As a result, the planets rarely align in a straight line. Upcoming planetary alignment. The next notable planetary alignment has started since 21st January 2025. During this event, five planets Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn will be visible in the morning sky, appearing in a line stretching across the horizon. Significance of planetary alignment. In Asian cultures, planetary alignments were often considered to be omens making significant events or changes. While modern science dismisses the interpretations, alignment still holds value in the field of astronomy. How to observe planetary alignment? To observe a planetary alignment, you do not need any special equipment. Although a telescope can enhance your viewing experience, the best time to view an alignment is usually just before aerial light, depending on the alignment's position in the sky. To conclude, the alignment of planets is a natural and fascinating occurrence that reminds us of the intricate motions of the planets and our place in the cosmos. Whether you are an experienced astronomer or someone simply looking to enjoy a moment of wonder, they remind us of the beauty of the universe and the endless possibilities of discovery that lies ahead. Thank you.
Sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am Mathikar going to give a presentation on a celestial alignment of six planets. As from 22nd January, there are six planets aligned in a line, which is called planetary plate, a phenomenon where multiple planets appear aligned from the Earth's perspective. It is occurred due to relative position of planets in their orbits. Visible alignment is a line of sight effect. Planets in alignment are Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. The planets which are visible with naked eyes are Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, whereas to observe Uranus and Neptune we have to use telescope or binocular. Then viewing guidelines are best time shortly after sunset until 9:30 p.m. Best location is open space with clear view from eastern to western horizon. Then tips ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੂਰਬੀਨ ਜਾਂ ਟੈਲੀਸਕੋਪ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਪਲੈਨਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਵਿਊ ਦਿਖੂਗਾ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਸਟਰੋਨੋਮੀ ਐਪਸ ਨੂੰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਪਲੈਨਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਲੋਕੇਟ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ Then how can we identify these planets? To identify these planets, the planet which is most brightest, that is Venus. Then planet which is in red color, that is Mars. Saturn and Jupiter is like a teeny dot. Uranus and Neptune is not visible without naked eyes. To view it, we have to use telescope. Then science behind this alignment is ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਸੂਰਜ ਦੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਗ੍ਰਹਿ ਘੁੰਮਦੇ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਅਰਥ ਤੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਿਖੂਗੀ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਲਾਈਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਿਖਾਈ ਦੇਣਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਵਾ ਪਲੈਨੇਟਰੀ ਲਾਈਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਫਿਜ਼ੀਕਲ ਅਲਾਈਨਮੈਂਟ ਵਾ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਰੇਅਰ ਆ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਣ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਬਜ਼ਰਵ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਵਾ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ
Thank you so much, Gurman. Science is full of wonders and surprises. To make us curious and amazed, we now have a special segment where we will learn some incredible facts related to science. So let's welcome Manpreet Kaur to share the amazing facts and amazing insights with us. Please, Manpreet Kaur.
Respected principal sir, teachers, and dear friends, good morning to all of you. My name is Manpreet Kaur. I am a student of B.Ed first year. I am going to share the amazing facts on astronomy. The sun makes up 99.86% of the solar system mass. Mercury is named after the Roman messenger to the gods. Its year lasts 1.5 days. Venus spins in the opposite direction to most planets, and nobody knows why. Earth is 149,598,262 kilometers from the Sun. Earth is the only planet known to harbor life. Mars is a terrestrial planet like Earth. It's not a gas planet like Saturn or Jupiter. The surface of Mars is hard and rocky, which means you can walk on it. Jupiter is large enough for the Earth to fit inside 1,000 times. Jupiter has storms that would swallow the Earth twice. Saturn is the second largest moon in the solar system, Titan. It has 57 moons. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. It is the first planet to be discovered by telescope. Neptune orbits the Sun once every 165 years. It is the coldest planet in the solar system. Thank you.
Thank you, Manpreet, for sharing such mind-blowing facts with us. So our next topic takes us to an exciting journey through stars and beyond, exploring mysteries of astronomy and fascinating world of horoscope. Let's welcome Navneet Kaur to share her views.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about an interesting topic, the connection between astronomy and horoscopes. While both terms might sound related, but they have different meanings and purposes. Let's explore how they are linked and how they differ. Astronomy is the scientific study of celestial objects like stars, planets, moons, and galaxies. It helps us understand the universe's vastness, the movement of heavenly bodies, and even origin of life on Earth. Astronomy relies on observations, calculations, and scientific evidence to explain phenomena in space. On the other hand, horoscopes. Horoscopes comes from astrology, which is not a science but rather a belief system. Astrology claims that the position of celestial bodies like the sun, moon, and planets at the time of the person's birth influence their personality, behavior, and even future events. The connection between astronomy and horoscopes lies in the zodiac signs. The zodiac is divided into 12 signs based on constellations that the sun appears to pass through over a year. For example, if someone says, I am a Scorpio, it means the sun was in the Scorpio constellations when they were born. These signs are used in horoscopes to determine personality traits and predict life events. Astronomy also tracks the movement of planets and other celestial objects which astrologers interpret to create horoscopes. However, it's important to understand the difference between the two. Astronomy is based on facts, research, and observations, while astrology is based on beliefs and interpretations. While horoscopes can be fun to read and may give us hope or guidance, they are not backed by scientific evidence like astronomy. To conclude, astronomy and horoscopes both remind us of beauty of the cosmos, whether you prefer the facts of astronomy or the fun of astrology. One thing is clear, the stars continue to captivate us. Thank you.
Thank you, Navneet, for insightful and captivating talk on astronomy and horoscope. Now it's time to test your knowledge. have some fun, and challenge ourselves with an exciting quiz. To make this activity more engaging, we have Lakshpreet Kaur to conduct the quiz for us. Please give her a big round of applause. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear classmates. My name is Lakshmit Kaur, and I am delighted to have this opportunity to address you all today. So, all get ready to test your knowledge and challenges yourself with a series of interesting questions. So, please get ready. So, first question is, which planet can sometimes be seen with the naked eyes as the morning star or evening star? Any answers? So, yes. So, second question is, which planet has the great red spot, a giant storm? Yes. Answer is Jupiter. Third, which planet has the fastest orbit around the sun? So options are A. Venus, B. Mercury, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. Yes, Mercury is right answer. Fourth, what is the shape of Earth's orbit around the sun? Options are A. Circular, B. Elliptical. Elliptical is right answer. Fifth, which planet is known for having the largest volcano in the solar system? Options are A. Mars, B. Earth, C. Jupiter, D. Venus. No. Yes. Mars is correct answer. Sixth, what is the chemical symbol of gold? Right. Seventh, which animal can live without a head for weeks? Cockroach is the correct answer. Eighth, which vitamin is important for bone healing and is found in citrus? Vitamin C is correct answer. How many muscles are there in the human body? Sorry. A 650, B 700, C 800, D 900. बोलो राइट आंसर बोलो 650 is right answer. 10. Which color of light has the longest wavelength? Red. Right. 11. What type of radiation is emitted when a nucleus loses an alpha particles? Options are gamma rays, beta particles, C, alpha particles, D, neutrons. Alpha particles. 12. Which element is commonly used in nuclear reactors for fission? A. Uranium, B. Hydrogen, C. Carbon, D. Iron. Right answer. Thank you. Thank you so much, Laksh, for conducting such an engaging and exciting quiz. I'm really glad that every one of you is intelligent. Please give you a big round of applause. Science has been a guiding light in understanding the mysteries of the universe and behind every breakthrough, which are brilliant minds of scientists. To inspire us with their contributions, I would like to invite Dr. Manu Chadha to present a special PPT. Please give her a big round of applause.
warm good morning to all present here. On the onset, I would first like to specially thank my proactive group of students who have conducted this morning assembly in a beautiful manner. Thank you. And I feel that they have justified the theme, and I hope that they were all able to facilitate you with today's event, that is astronomical events, as clarified earlier also. Today, 25th January, is marked as the day for planetary alignment. So, all the planets, they have aligned themselves in such a way, and this has been in process since 22nd of January. Students, you can all have a nice time seeing this. It will be visible today till today evening. So I think we could justify our theme and make the things clear to you. On behalf of Madam Marie Curie Club, I would just like to acquaint you with, since you're all going to be teachers, currently you're all pupil teachers, what lessons, besides, like we all know, the scientists have discovered various things, but what life lessons they have taught us through their inventions, through their discoveries, through their life. So I'll be just taking around 2-3 minutes to explain the contributions of a few scientists. Yes, Peter. We have all heard of Thomas Edison. Can you just tell me what is Thomas Edison important for? It's there for the discovery of, yes, the bulb, yes. Thomas Edison is known for the discovery of bulb. And Thomas Edison beautifully presented one thing. He said, to be a genius, you need 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. That means that to become a genius, you really have to work hard. You talk about any of the, you may talk about Ambanis, you may talk about Adanis, you may talk about any kind of celebrities. You will see that behind every celebration, behind every success, behind every successful mind, they did not have very easy paths. They all had to work hard. So the takeaway from this, the lesson from Thomas Edison is that true success requires a lot of things, especially hard work and perseverance. Coming to the next, Isaac Newton. Newton is known for, yes, the law of gravity, the laws of Newton. And he just did not give us the concept of gravity, he gave us many other concepts also. And his actually, if you just read his biography, you will realize that he says that it is not that you just have to focus on one thing. If you want to be successful, you should be willing, you should be open to all the possibilities that you can pounce upon. Just don't focus. Now, the lesson for you here is, no doubt you're all going to be teachers, but just don't be focused on your this profession only. You have plenty of other talents in you. So just be willing to accept, be willing to, so that you can be original. You can you can just excel in other fields also. So that is the takeaway from Newton's life. Next we have, as a name, Madam Marie Curie. That's the name of the club also. Marie Curie is known for, Madam Marie Curie is known for radioactivity, yes. Madam Marie Curie is the pioneer in radioactivity. Besides that, she is the first woman to receive the Nobel Prize, and above all, in two different sciences. She got one Nobel Prize in physics and the other in chemistry. So, now, what was, if again you read her biography, you will get to know, she has mentioned one in one article, one never notices what has been done, but only remains sees that what has not been done. ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾ ਹੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਇਹ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿੰਨਾ मतलब दूसरे भी निकाल के एक rare year. This has not been done. So she says that do not focus on what has been accomplished. What you have achieved, do not focus on that. On the other hand, focus on what is left. That will be the way for you to succeed in life. That is required for you to go ahead to succeed in life. Always focus on ये मत सोचो इतना हो गया. Yes, being optimistic, half glass of water is also important. But when it comes to your accomplishments, just don't rest on your accomplishments. अपनी achievements से देख के back नहीं जाओ. You have a lot to do. So focus what has been left and what, because you've got a lot of talent, you've got a lot of energy. So just focus on what has been left, then you can succeed more. Right? Next video. Leonardo da Vinci. Any idea he's known for? I think most of you don't know him as a scientist only. He's known for his painting, Mona Lisa. और उनका सारे तो वैसी ना कि एक पेंटर है, but बेटा एक actually scientist. He was a scientist. He's known for human anatomy, and he could present anatomy. He could present. He was the one who first drew sketches of helicopters. He drew sketches of hydraulic pumps. So through his sketching, he is a scientist plus a sketcher. So ਅਸੀਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ through his painting. So ਇਹਦੇ ਤੋਂ take away ਕੀ ਹੈ? Don't limit yourself. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਚੁੱਕੀ. Don't limit yourself. He was a scientist by origin. Human anatomist से बहुत famous. But अब ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ जान किਵੇਂ लिया as a artist, as a very good artist. And so don't limit yourself. Be open to learning and be open-minded while you are into it. So, just अपने अंदर अपने talents को जितना लप सकते हो और जितना nourish कर सकते हो, that will be better. Next बेटा, Albert Einstein. And Einstein is known for relativity. Yes, theory of relativity. E is equal to mc square. I think that was the formula, Ash. Am I right? Einstein theory, so E is equal to. Now, again, Einstein actually, Einstein was a German and born German, brought up in US. And just time के US से सीना उस time पे racism बहुत ज़्यादा थी. So इना भी ये तो अपन की और कि इना racism बहुत ज़्यादा थी और he was one person who was always ready to fight against racism. Although coming from a different background, being a German, staying in US in a dominating country, he was there. He said, and he was very disturbed by racism. So he decided not to stay quiet, but express publicly. His social norms, तो जिस स्कूल के norms थी, उन्हें तो भी ये बहुत परेशान थी. So he used to speak against them because he was of this nature. Like he said कि जो थोड़ा दिखता जा रहा है, तुसी वही accept करते जाओगे ना, थोड़ी अपनी creativity खत्म हो जाएगी. So ये schools से norms या schools से अगर एक transition आई जो कि इंडिया छूना आ रही है कि that creativity needs to be found out in students because rote learning के लिए वो बच्चियाँ भी creativity को खत्म करती है. So he was from this as a teacher. Your role is that you have to find out you have to search the creativity among your students by not just focusing on that. Yes, I have told you this answer. You have to just learn this answer. Okay. Next, Michael Faraday. And Faraday is known for induction. Yes, he is known for electromagnetic induction. जिनकी motors and all है, ये Faraday के law पे चलती है. So Faraday was a physicist, and he could not complete his studies. He was a dropout from school. Reason being because he came from a very poor family. और उसकी book binding की shop पे काम करती थी. उतनी जल्दी books bind होने आती थी, वो book से पढ़ते थी और वो पढ़ के he became a scientist. That is his story. He doesn't have any formal education in the beginning. So that beginning he had, then he had to drop out. So what is the takeaway? Hard work, अपनी self-belief. Yes, I can do it. That is more important. You just cannot get education from just coming and going to school and college. It is through your own efforts, through your self-belief that you can get. Because knowledge is everywhere. When you people are talking in the canteen also, then also you are gaining knowledge from each other. When you people are standing and talking, we are also gaining knowledge from seeing you people standing and talking. So you can get knowledge from everywhere. It's available in every leaf, every tree, every table chair, हर जगह पे knowledge है. थोड़े हर words which knowledge है, चाहे किसी कोई normal कोई गाना भी गाना. So ये तो सिर्फ कि मैं learning है, that depends on you. Next speaker. Last but not the least, APJ Abdul Kalam, we all know him, and he was he's known as the, what is Abdul? The science man. And he was the 11th president also of our country. So the takeaways from him is that you just need to dream. Dream, dream and dream. Transform your dreams into thoughts and then your thoughts into action. Success is not possible without hard work. Always stay humble. Abdul Kalam was a very humble person. We all know when he entered the Rashtrapati Bhavan, they कितना सामान लेके वो गए थे और कितना सामान लेके वो वापस आए थे. So perseverance, think creatively and find new solutions to the problems. जो सारे scientists आए उन्होंने नक्शे बोले be a team player. He did not believe in leading a team. He said colleagues से ना लग के काम करो. So you should be a team player rather than a team leader. Stay optimistic. Look for opportunities in every small challenge. Lead by example. पहले वो कह रहे be a team player. उसके बाद वो कह रहे कि player के नाल इस तरह का काम करो that people start following you. So indirectly you become a team leader also. But don't force yourself to be a leader and serve others. That is the lesson. That are the lessons we can learn from Abdul Kalam. So the legacy of these scientists is far beyond, and we have a lot to learn from them. They are a source of inspiration for us. So we, as students, as teachers, can strive for excellence, can strive to and be committed to serve the society. Thank you, dear students. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing incredible contribution of scientists, not only in the field of science, but in a real life too. We truly love your efforts and guidance. Once again, thank you, Manu ma'am. So this morning assembly was organized in the collaboration with Madam Marie Curie. I would like to thank Jobanpreet Kaur as well as Dr. Manu Chandra for organizing this event properly. So now we are proceeding to our activity 2, that is in the place of we are proceeding to our Kartavyabodh Diwas on behalf of NSS and RIC of college. We are celebrating Kartavyabodh Diwas and the National Voters Day. So may I ask Kashmir to present her views on the Kartavyabodh Diwas.
Good morning, Principal Sir, respected teachers, and my dear students. Today, on Kartavyabodh Diwas, we gather to reflect the importance of responsibility and commitment in our lives. Duty is not just an obligation, it is a reflection of our character and values. Kartavyabodh Diwas is a day dedicated to reminding individuals of their responsibilities and the importance of fulfilling them with sincerity and integrity. It encourages everyone, whether students, teachers, or professionals, to reflect on their duties towards themselves, their families, their work, and the society. It serves as a call to action to perform with dedication and to uphold values like accountability, honesty, and commitment in everyday life. As teachers, our role is to guide and inspire students, not just academically but also morally. Every lesson we teach and every action we take sets an example for our students. We must perform our duties with sincerity and dedication as our work shapes the future of our society. To my dear students, remember one thing. Duty conscious starts with small actions. Respecting your parents, completing your assignments, and helping others. These habits will build a foundation for a successful and fulfilling life. So let us all pledge to perform our responsibilities with honesty and commitment, creating a better world for ourselves and those around us. Thank you and have a wonderful Kartavyabodh Diwas.
Thank you so much, G.H.G. Do you know what is the special day of 25th January rather than the planetary alignment today? Yes, it's a National Voters Day. So now, Lakshmi Kaur will signify the importance of National Voters Day. Good morning, everyone. It's an honor to stand before you today as it is an honor to stand before you today as we celebrate National Voters Day, a day of immense significance in our democratic framework. Observed every year on 25th January, this day, the foundation of Election Commission of India in 1950. It serves as a powerful reminder of our rights and responsibility as a citizen of the world's largest democracy. Voting is the backbone of democracy. Empowers each of us to shape the future of our country. When we vote, we not merely selecting the leaders and we are expressing our hopes and aspirations. For better tomorrow, the importance of this right cannot be overstated as it is a tool that gives every citizen an equal say regardless of the caste, creed, religion, or economic background. The main objective of National Voters Day is to encourage young and eligible citizens to register themselves as a voters. It also aims to make them aware of their responsibility in contributing the democratic process. So let us take this opportunity to reaffirm our commitments to our democracy. So let us pledge to register ourselves as a voter as soon as we are eligible. Second, to participate in the elections with awareness and responsibilities. Third, to never take the right for granted as it was earned through the sacrifices of countless individuals. To conclude, I would like to remind everyone that your vote is your voice, your power and your right. Use it wisely and useful. Encourage others to do so. Thank you. Thank you, Lakshmi. Now, to be dutiful towards our country, towards our nation, I would like to request you all to rise up for the oath ceremony. To conduct this oath ceremony, I would like to call Sudeep Singh.
किसी लोग एक लाइन खा लो आप लोग ऐसे खड़े हो लाइन में आगे आ जाओ ना आज जो एनसीसी
एनसीसी कैडेट को प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ वो पोस्ट टेकिंग है बस
उधर खड़े हो जाओ
Everyone ready? We, the citizens of India, having abiding faith in democracy, hereby
pledge to uphold the democratic traditions of our country and the dignity of free, fair, and peaceful elections, and to vote in every election fearlessly and without being influenced by considerations of religion, race, caste, community, language, or any inducement. Thank you.